Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. You know what time it is, you saw the title. It's another Allure beauty box unboxing. I've been getting Allure since January and it's disappointed me every month since January. I don't know, my first box was so great that now like nothing else lives up to it. But it's fine, I'm hoping that one of these days something great will come. And I know it will next month. This month comes with a little booklet. And then the bag. So the first month I got this was black. Nope, red, and then last month was black, and then we have a white one. So that's really cute, because I kind of like this bag a lot. Wishing it wasn't a see-through, but that's fine. If you're new to Allure, the first month is $10, and then each month after that is $15. So I am going to show you this month's box. They give you quite a few products, like 6 or 7, sometimes full size, most of the time not. But like my first box was the new CEO Glow Oil, which still hasn't launched, and that was in January. Let's go ahead and jump in. This month seems to be pretty much entirely skincare. So I'm just gonna do it like just pull them out in order. So it's, first thing is the Ren Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. We saw this at work and I think it gets really good reviews. It says it's good for sensitive skin. I guess it's a moisturizer. Let's see if I can find it in here. Yeah. A facial balm sounds scary heavy, but this one is quick absorbing, and after a few days, its natural oils got rid of redness and dry spots that were making my skin look unhealthy or make it look uneven and ashy. That's exciting because I have redness and dry spots, so this should be interesting. I'm excited to try this, though it's tiny, so I don't know how much use I can get out of that. Next is from Mamonde. It's a rosewater toner. I just bought a rosewater toner from Kopari. And we got their makeup remover last month. I do think that it worked to take makeup off. However, like my face felt like it had something on it and it was weird. So like it took the makeup away, but something else was going on that was just like, what is going on? We'll take this off. So this, it says, I've been hooked on that refresh hydrating field toner, gives me post cleanser, and Mamonde leaves my skin softer and more moisturized than most. It gently removes some of the dead cells living rent-free on your skin so that the rest of your products can penetrate better. And it's made with organic damask rose that the brand says were handpicked at dawn. Okay, I certainly wasn't there for the harvesting of these flowers, but I can confirm that this toner feels as silky as putting on rose petals. I like to apply with a cotton pad, which I make sure is really saturated. Then I swipe and dab the toner all over it until my skin is nice and smooth. Retails for $23. Probably I should have said what the other one retails for. The Ren one retails for $48. This one is for $23, and you can enter code MAMONDE MAMONDE 20 at checkout to receive 20% off your purchase until March 30th. So you know how much time left. Sorry, probably won't be up by then. But yeah, I'm excited to try this because I'm in the market for a new toner. I wonder if it has alcohol. It doesn't have the ingredients. That's great. Here's a mess. Next is Biossance. I love Biossance. I've used one of their oils before and I really, really liked it, like the original one. It says Biossance Squalene Peptide Eye Gel, so that's for your eyes. This quick absorbing gel keeps my under eyes plumped and hydrated. Fine crinkly lines are much less noticeable, as is the puffiness I often wake up with, and it retails for $54, but you can use the code Allure19 at checkout to receive 20% off through June 1st. That's quite a while. You also could have gotten their Squalene and Vitamin C oil, which I'm glad I didn't because vitamin C doesn't work well with my skin. Or the Allure Seriously Soothing Light Oil, and this kind of aggravates me because this retails for $54, but the Allure one that you could have gotten retail for is $12.99. So it's like people aren't getting the same value. Oh, it's decent size. It's a good size. It's 0.1 fluid ounce though, so it's not very full in here, but that's fine. Just kidding. This is the oil that I just said is in here. Huh. Alright, well, okay. It's the Allure Seriously Soothing Night Oil, so that's kind of nice to try, I guess. But that's weird that I got two on the same page. Ooh, it's big. It's a good size. Is it a roller ball? It says it's a third of a fluid ounce, so 10 mils, give or take. It is a roller ball. I'm gonna smell it. It smells good. It says there are 10 hydrating oils packed in here, but this mix is delightfully light. I use it after my retinol at night on dry spots before makeup and even on the ends of my hair, and it retails for $12.99 for 1 ounce. And you can use the code ACURE19 at checkout to receive 25% off your order. Next is the Beachy Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. It says it has mineralizing water plus hyaluronic acid. It's a serum. It's a skin softening serum. It says, I'm addicted to this serum, skin softening powers, and it feels as light as water going on, which is appropriate considering the formula is 89% mineral water, hence the 89 in its name. The water comes from Vichy, France, a city famous for its healing mineral springs. Legend has it they can treat skin conditions, digestive problems, and even migraines. The other 11% includes hyaluronic acid and glycerin that also does an excellent job of leaving the skin quenched, and it retails for $29.50. Apparently you could either get this or the Amika Velveteen Dream Smoothing Balm. I don't know which I would have rather gotten. Oh, apparently it was either this oil eye cream, or the vitamin C oil. So I'm glad I got that one. And then for the Ren, I could have gotten the Ren Balm, the Belief Aqua Balm. I didn't get the scrub, but it doesn't, it's acting like I should have gotten the scrub. Huh, I don't know. Next though, last product, Au Naturel, that's what it's called. And it is a stick. It's a multi-stick in the shade Grapefruit. I like grapefruits. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's big. I think it's full size. Oh, it's melted. Yes. Can you guys see that? Mine is like all melted at the top. That looks like they shoved it in there after it like broke off. Anyways, hopefully it'll go back down. Okay. When I blend this golden peachy cream blush onto my cheeks, it gave my complexion a subtle warmth and color that looked like it could be my own. It's a magic wand that gives you a running around the playground flush, even when you're staring at a computer all day. The fresh effect works especially well if you put it on the apples of your cheeks and across the bridge of your nose and blend it with your fingertips. No, thank you. It says it retails for $35 and you can use the code Allure19 at checkout to receive 30% off your order. Wow, that's quite a bit. Let's take a brush and try to put this on. I don't see a difference. Let me just try to swatch it. Oh, it's really pink. Interesting. I don't think it's as warm as they might try to make it out to seem. I think it's really pink. It smells kind of funny. But okay, that's fine. So that being said, that is it for this month's box. So we got the stick and the eye serum and the eye gel and the oil and the balm. So this month was super skin heavy, which I don't mind. I love skincare. So it's just as a matter of your preference, I guess. But I'm not disappointed. Like, I mean, I'm not disappointed that it's skincare. I am not crazy excited about any of these. But it's okay. Next month we're getting a full-size product, so I'm pretty hyped for that. Do you guys get Allure? Let me know down below. I also get BOXYCHARM and I'm interested in trying new subscriptions. I really like subscriptions. So let me know. That's really it. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. Leave a comment down below. You know the drill. Hit up my Instagram to make my smile much more active on there. That's really all I got for you. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!